Hello 2020 user. Thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega Cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to add a miter corner. In your most recent catalog, select the cabinet you would like to add the miter corner to. Right-click on the cabinet and go into its attributes. Once in the attributes, go into the add-ons tab. This is a frame modification, so we'll open up frame modifications, and then we will go down and find the miter corner modification. You can select the left or the right. You will notice that the visual will not change on the cabinet, but the modification is going to price out for you. Hit apply and OK to save the modification. Thank you for your time, and we hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection and be sure to let us know if there are other 2020 learning topics you would like to see us demonstrate in this way. Happy designing!